Pixelers, bring your pencils and paper because today we're drawing a circus. For this drawing, we need colored pencils black, blue, yellow, and red. This design measures 25 squares tall by 26 squares wide. Let's start with the black color. Skip 12 squares from left to right. And on square 13, mark 4 horizontally. From this square, go down 4 vertically. From this square, go down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the left 3 horizontally. From this square, go down to the left 4 diagonally. Down to the left 2 horizontally. Down to the left 2 horizontally again. Down to the left 1. Down to the left 6 vertically. Down to the left 4 vertically. Down to the left 3 vertically. From this square, go to the right 1. Down to the right 4 diagonally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 horizontally again. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 6 vertically. Down to the right 4 vertically. Down to the right 3 vertically. From this square, go to the right and mark 18 horizontally. On this line, count 3 squares from top to bottom, and to the right mark 20 horizontally. From this line, skip 4 squares to the right and mark 5 vertically. Down to the left 4 vertically. From this square, skip 5 squares to the right and mark 9 vertically. From this square, skip 4 squares to the right and mark 4 vertically. From this square, go to the left 2 horizontally. Up to the left 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square downward and mark 1. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 1. From this square, go down to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 3 vertically. Down to the left 1. From this square, mark this entire line to the right, which total 24 squares. Now, pixelers, let's color all the squares we marked. And if you're not a pixeler yet, what are you waiting for? Join our family, the Pixeler Club, by subscribing and turning on notifications. Take the blue pencil and color the flag area. Continue with the red pencil, coloring all these areas. In the top corner, pixelers, I leave a link to my pixel art channel in Spanish, where you'll find hundreds of drawings with subtitles. Take the yellow pencil and color this section. Go back to the black pencil and color this part. And here's our drawing of the day, pixelers. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and comment below if you even been to a circus and if you enjoy it. Thank you so much, pixelers, for being here for another video. Sending you a kiss, a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!